Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how to set up a lead magnet funnel inside Cheetah. So let's get started. Here we have the lead magnet funnel blueprint. So first, your funnel is going to require traffic. And for this example, we have traffic coming from your social media onto your lead magnet page. Here you will give something in exchange for their email address. Now, the giveaway can be an ebook, a video with value, or maybe even a free e-learning course. Once they enter their email address, they are then taken to the thank you page where they can access their free product. Let's go inside the Cheetah editor and show you how to set this up. So now we're inside my website, and I've called this the lead magnet funnel. Now it's made up of just one single page, which is my lead magnet funnel. It's a blank page, so we're going to go in there and actually create one. In addition to that, according to the blueprint, we had a thank you page as well. So let's go in and add that. Now remember, the lead magnet funnel is going to give away something for free in exchange for the email address. Now, here I only have the thank you page, which in this example is also going to serve as the download page for that free item. But you may want to consider on placing that free download or access to that free product or maybe e-learning course on a different page. And the reason why is because at your lead magnet funnel, when they opt in and they fill out the information or the form, it's going to redirect them somewhere. And the only option here is to direct them to the thank you page, which is also serving as a download page. And they haven't subscribed yet. So that means they're having access to your free product without subscribing to your email. So in this example, because you know that, we're going to go ahead and still keep just the home page and a thank you page. So let's go into the home page and let's set up our lead magnet funnel. Now Cheetah's made it so easy for you to create a lead magnet funnel page. Now here at the blank panel, all you have to do is just go up to the top here, select add, go to panels, and simply go down to lead magnet page. Now for this example, we're going to use this one down here. And there you go. Now whether you like this page or not, at least it's a template, right? It's at least going to get you started or point you in the right direction. So you can go in here and change your images around, change your colors, and do whatever you please. For this example, we're going to leave it exactly like this. We're going to hop here, right click on it, and just make sure that this is a mailing boss form. So if you're starting from scratch and you don't have this here, all you have to do is go to add, go to elements, and go down to email marketing and drag one of those forms inside your panel. Now again, once you do that, it's going to ask you to select a pre-made list that you've created in Mailing Boss. Now in here, what I want to do is click on the gear icon, go in and select my pre-made list, and here we are. So for this example, I'm just going to select email marketing form. Now if you are new to Builderall and you haven't created a list yet inside Mailing Boss, I would highly recommend you check out a training video, and or if you're ready, go here and select the create new list button. So I've selected email marketing. Next, all I have to do is go right here to set link. And here's what I was talking about at the beginning. So while the subscription is pending, where do you want to take them? Where do you want them to be redirected to? So again, for this example, I'm going to go ahead and still select thank you page. And once they confirm, I'm going to still go ahead and select the thank you page as well. I'm not going to do anything with unsubscribe at the moment. And now let's go up here to the thank you page. So again, my thank you page has nothing on it. So let's go up here to add, go to panels. And these are alphabetized, so go down to thank you page. And again, you have a pre-made template that you can use. Now here, you can take the opportunity in a video and thank your subscriber for subscribing, telling them about your products and services, as well as direct them to the free download link down below. Now here's a button. It says next step or access your product. Again, you could take them to another page and have them access your product and download from there. Or you could just simply use this button right here by right clicking, go to set link. You're going to go down to download, select file, and I have already uploaded a file which is top 30 tips and tricks to launch an affiliate business. And there you go. So let's go ahead and select save. So here we are at my lead magnet funnel. I'm going to go ahead and type in my name. There I am. Select Get Instant Access. Now here I am at my page where I can access my download. So if I click on this button, there it is. It opened up my PDF file. Top 30 tips and tricks to launch a successful affiliate business. In this video, we took a look at the lead magnet funnel blueprint, which is made up of 2 pages, your lead magnet page and your thank you/download page. We went into Cheetah Builder and I showed you how you can simply grab a pre-made lead magnet funnel template and change it and make adjustments to your liking. We connected an email marketing form, and then at the thank you page, we did the exact same thing. We selected a pre-made template, and then I showed you how to create a download link to be triggered the moment someone presses the download button. I hope you found the video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.